a real bird. I didn't think it was.
He's a real shopping bird. He likes to come here and get screwdrivers.
Take him outside. How do you keep him from flying away?
He doesn't have any tail feathers. He pulled,
Yet, huh?
no, yeah, he pulled all of his tail feathers when he was younger. He came to us with about half the usual number of feathers, so he just sits on my shoulder.
How long have you had him?
5 years now.
Pretty cool.
Thank you.
He talks a lot.
He does.
Just like a kid, huh? Are you just like a kid? Just like a kid. You talk. Yep.
And half the time you don't know what he's saying. Are you done?
Sometimes you do.
Yeah.
Sometimes you have to know what he's saying because
Oh,
you'll
yeah.
probably get pissed off like a kid.
You are a
How
pretty
old is he?
baby. We think he's between 10 and 12.
Oh, he's young.
Yeah.
My sister used to have one.
Yeah? Nice.
Yeah,
How long did she have it?
like 10 years.
10 years. Okay.
Yeah.
Was it older when she got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we weren't sure how old. No, I was looking, thank you.
He says, those are my screwdrivers.
I'm looking.
She can buy some too if she wants. Yeah. I know. Someone's looking at your screwdrivers. There are dogs here.
There's a duck.
2 dogs, yeah. You've not seen dogs before this close.
They're little ankle biters. They're not like Josie.
They're very good puppies. Yeah.
Look, they're just little ankle biters. They're getting ready to. Hi, can I pet you?
Oh, there isn't a
Can
cart.
I pet him?
Yeah.
Can I pet you, honey? You want to pet him, Bree? Why? You're so nice.
He's very soft.
He is. You see them dogs over there? You're not paying attention. Do you want one of these then? Do you want one of these?
Yes, please.
You don't want it. You just want to throw it.
That's what he does at home too.
Really?
Yeah.
Does he push things off your counters and everything?
He does, yes. Yes.
All right. Well, bye-bye. See you later.